Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add a location in a post on X. Why would you want to know how to add a location in a post on X? Well, maybe it is your first time using X and not sure how to add a location in a post on X. So today I am going to show you how to add a location in a post on X. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding a location in post on X is quite simple and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open X app. Here you are seeing different posts. If you are willing to add location in a post on X, here in bottom right corner you are seeing plus icon. Click on it. Click on post. Now write something or add media. Here you are seeing location button in bottom center. Click on it. Search for a location and then press done. Now location has been added. Click on post. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add a location in a post on X, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.